Hey everybody, today I've got a review for you on the full one-piece arrows from Pocket Shot. These are carbon fiber shafts. They are designed specifically to work with the arrow system that is available for the Pocket Shot. The arrow configuration means you've got either the red or the string release version of the arrow pouch. And you have the brush style arrow rest on the front. And these arrows are purposely designed to work with this system. In the package, you'll note that they have the vinyl covers for the nocks on the back and also field practice tips as well for these arrows. Could you use these with broadheads? Absolutely you can. You can use them with blunt ends too for taking small game. So these are fully functional, fully lethal, fully accurate arrows. Again, carbon fiber shafts, they're no joke. They are definitely high quality. And the design of these is great for use in the Pocket Shot. Notice how the fletching is moved forward so that as the pouch collapses behind the arrow, it's not squishing on the feathers. We're going to take this, drop it right in there, and give her a pinch, and then we're ready to go. This is a great way to practice some really compact, improvised accuracy with your archery game. And you can throw this in a bag, take it on your vacation, and lob some arrows while you got a moment while you're waiting for everybody to get ready. It's a great option, a great tool. Absolutely love those one-piece arrows from Pocket Shot. Thanks for watching this review, everybody. Have a great day.